Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my simple nail care routine because there is honestly just a few steps you need to do to keep your nails healthy and looking clean. So the first thing I like to do in my nail care routine is to clean up my cuticles, and for this I like to use a cuticle exfoliator. This is just a slight chemical exfoliant to help remove any dead skin on your nail plate, which is the surface of your nail. People will trim their cuticles, but you have to be very careful because it could possibly lead to infection if you accidentally trim the live skin. So I personally just like to push back my cuticle and remove it from the nail plate with a exfoliator. I'm using this for pushing back my cuticles and then scraping away any dead skin. Make sure that I have removed the cuticle exfoliant, I rehydrate my nails using a cuticle oil. Next, of course, is filing my nails. Today I'm shortening my nails up a little bit, so I'm taking off a bit of length. For your nail care routine, you should file your nails to whatever shape you prefer. I like my nails to be almond. So now my nails are all nice. That is just my typical routine for maintaining the shape and looks of my nails. But the most important overall routine to keep your nails healthy is definitely cuticle oil, and I go everywhere with them. There are a lot of different options for cuticle oils based on your preference. For example, this is a nice small one with the applicator, so you can just apply it easily around your cuticles. Another important thing, you should be oiling your nails at least twice a day. For me, I try to do it whenever I wash my hands just to replenish that moisture to my nails. Keeping your cuticles and your nails hydrated will really help make sure your nails are flexible and healthy, which makes them more stronger. So there you have all the basics you need for a healthy nail care routine. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.